Hello, this is Talia from Loyang BOTA. Today we will introduce this 10 welding hand welding clone and boom set brought of Vietnam. This effective lifting range and effective rotating range are both 2 meters. Equipped with motorized rotating and motorized driving, it enables multifunctional welding operations. What is currently being demonstrated is its lifting and lowering function. It includes both SAW welding hand and MIG welding hand. This is SAW power zone. This is MIG power zone. This is the water cooling end, which prevents the welding equipment from overheating and damage. This is a 7-inch PLC and HMI touch interface, all of welding parameters settings. Welding clone and boom, it can perform 2 types of welding simultaneously or alternately, make it suitable the workpiece that requires combined welding process.